All right, good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Do well to click the subscribe button for more notifications when a new video is being dropped. Today we'll just be focusing on the text effect using Pixellab, and then to start with, let's first remove the new text here by going to your text here and delete. Then we'll be changing the size. We will be using this size. So let's come to this tool here. Then image size. Let's make use of YouTube thumbnail. Then OK. Then we'll change our color. When you come to color, this is color, this is gradient. We'll just pick this white gradient. If you want to know how I did it, then just come to your plus sign here. So you can see this arrow, which means this one here, and then you make both arrows here, or both color palette here, you make them white. Then that gives us what we want. Then OK. Then click on tick. Then you come to your text here. You can use here, or you can use this plus sign up here. You come to your text. Then it gives us what we want. Then we just type in our strawberry. Yeah. Then we bring it to the middle. Change the font. This is your font. If you need font, just comment in the comment section, and then I will get it across to you. I'll be using this stereo eye font. I literally love the font, so I'll just increase the size to about 154, so as to make it bold enough. You can see still going, and just bring it to the middle again. We are going to 154, and that is it. Centralize your work. So now we move to the color. I'll be using gradient. Then my gradient, I'll be using red, because red is literally the color of strawberry. And I'll come here, because I'll be using red. I'll bring it here, a little bit dark. So then I come here and make this the normal red. Now this is what we have. I basically want this to be a little bit lighter, so this is what we have here. You can see that. So now we move to our strokes. You can just give a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. Then you increase the stroke width to about 15. Now we'll change the color, we'll go to gradient. Then we just make use of this already. You can see. Yeah, I think this is better. Let's make use of this. This is a little bit better. Because there's still some other things we will do. Then moving on, we move to our 3D text. Now we won't be using perspective, we'll be using this oblique here. You can see. So the first thing is to reduce the depth to about 5. Then reduce the darkening to about 10, or let's say 5. Then you disable this simulate lightning to make the color blend. Then you put this at about 204 or 200. I think this 200 is okay here. So now we move to our shadow. Our shadow here, we'll be using the black there. Then you bring the offset Y to about 5. That is it. Then you copy it. You centralize this also. Now what we'll do is to make the stroke white. You can see that is what we want. Then you remove the shadow. Now this is it. So what are we to do is to reduce the 3D text to about 3 so that the one down can be seen. Then you reduce the size of this. Then bring it down. So that is it. Now you copy again. Now what are we going to do? We'll make the main color white, and then we bring back the stroke to the former one we used. You can see. So you increase your size, then you do this. So the second layer, we can just return it to our normal, and this is what we have. So you can see. Then what we'll do here is to go and reduce depth here. You can see. Then we can make this around. This is what we are doing. Yeah. So we put this around so you just make sure you centralize your work. So then the down one also centralize. You can see. So we can just make it come down a little bit. I mean the first one we did. You have to ensure that your work is very okay. Now, so you ensure you centralize your work well. So now you shadow your work, the top layer, you shadow it. So we can just use this red shadow. You can see, and increase the blur. This is too much. Shadow it again. So this is it. So we come to the second layer and increase our stroke width. You can see. So this is it. So just centralize it. Endeavor you are centralizing your work for it to fit well. So now what our next thing to do is I will be adding emboss to my work, but actually not all phones. I've actually used a phone where when you enable the emboss, it begins to have this breaking text, but on this phone it doesn't. So I'll just give it like that. It's kind of, so it's more like an effect. Also I come to the down one also and give it an emboss. You can see. So now I come to the first layer here, then I give it an inner shadow. You can see, but I'll be using something like this ash here, then I give an offset of X, just a little bit, and Y, so about 5, and let's make this 5 also. So this is it. Yeah, so now I'll import these leaves and flowers. Then there's a way you arrange them. Yeah, so I'll just make it, then you reduce it, then it's just be here, reduce again, then I'll copy it, I'll make it mirror size, then I'll rotate it again, so to form a pattern. Yeah, you can see, to form a pattern here. Now this is it. I'll import the strawberry itself. Yeah, this is it. Then you can just pull this down here, make it a little bit smaller, and then just put it down here. You can see. So endeavor to save your project. I'll be using Berry. Now this is it. This is what we've got here, and I'll just be putting my brand name here, choosing endeavor to subscribe to my channel one more time. So ensure you subscribe to my channel, and like, share, and comment. I'll be expecting your comments. Thank you.